It all begins with a quiet street until chaos steps in. Officers respond to a call that something's not right. What they don't know yet is how unpredictable this suspect truly is.
Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move! Put your hands where I can see them! Keep your hands where I can see them! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Y'all get him out!
As they approach, watch carefully. The suspect's behavior is erratic. Hands shaking, pacing back and forth. This isn't a routine check. It's a warning sign.
The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident.
Alright, we got you.
Begins yelling, throwing accusations. This isn't fear, it's escalation. Officers form a line, slowly closing in without triggering more panic.
Can we get him out this side? Put your hands up! Get your hands up! Let me see your hands! I got you. I got you.
The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident.
Suddenly,
Right here.
movement. He reaches toward his waistband. Instantly, you'll hear the tone shift. One wrong motion, and this could have turned deadly.
Get out.
The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident.
Hands on. Coming out the back.
But the officers, trained and patient. They don't react out of fear, they command with control. Watch how Bodycam shows real-life discipline under stress. Even now, as he throws himself to the ground screaming, officers maintain a safe perimeter. This is raw, chaotic, and exactly what training is made for.
Hey, let's put this trip to center. It's gonna hurt, bro. I can't see. What happened, bro? Start turning your flag. I need that one on leg too. Where's another one?
Now look, he tries manipulating the situation. crying, shouting, accusing. But the body cam doesn't lie. It records truth, unfiltered.
We're helping you. Get that? Yeah, breathe out. Leg. Second turn. Here you go. We got one right here. Does anyone have any cloths, anything like that?
Oh yeah, I got a med bag.
Help me, please.
We're trying to go. Just someone. Give me my shit.
No.
Give me my shit. Give me my shit.
No.
I got one on the hole. I got one on the hole. We need some cloths. Back.
No. No. Help me. Please. No. No.
Under my thumb. It's right under my
With
thumb.
backup arriving, notice how the scene stays under control. No yelling from the cops. Just clear commands, steady tone, complete focus.
Let's see. Let's see. Just leave it.
Take some water.
Stop moving. Stand by. Chest wound. Got chest wound? Okay.
Help me. Help. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Okay, I can't breathe. Go outside. Go outside.
Dump some water right there. Dump some water right there.
You guys try the shot? Okay. I got two in the chest.
Help me. Need water. Water.
But suddenly, he lunges again. Drama spikes. This is what officers face: unpredictable reactions, mental instability, and the pressure to act fast.
You doing?
Oh.
You check the back yet? How went that way? Back. One, two, quick. We're gonna have to go. Got one extra.
Oh. Can I get some water, please? Please. A little bit of water, bro. I can't breathe. I'm dying, bro.
At approximately 7:55 p.m., Bisbee Fire Department EMS arrived on scene, provided additional medical care, and transported the subject to the Bisbee Fire Department station.
They place him in
There
cuffs.
they met Eric.
But even now, listen, he keeps fighting verbally. Every moment is a test of patience, judgment, and legal precision.
You got two in the chest, two in the leg, two in the wrist over there. We need to get it going.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's get it going.
The Helo's gonna meet you guys at the station. Helo pad.
He's got at the station.
They're
They
gonna meet.
just advised that they're landing a helo out here
Really?
for border patrol.
Station. Yeah.
Somebody
So-
needs to clarify.
This isn't just arrest. This is restraint. The kind of restraint officers rarely get credit for. And without this footage, we'd never see it.
We're just gonna try and get the gurney over here, get him on as quick as we can, and we'll start working on the way to the station. Does anybody have anything else, gauze or something, just to kind of splint up this wrist right quick, and we'll.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. There should be a perfect. I mean, if you want splints,
Confirmed helipad at the station. Right? Yeah, helipad at the station. Somebody's gonna keep the gate open for you guys. Yeah.
please, water, bro. Please.
No water.
Why? He said 11. I need some. But I can't. I can't even get a full breath, bro.
Relax.
Ow.
I got it right here.
Ow.
We probably need to start setting up everything we can for an intubation as the flight crew gets here as well.
Okay. Water, please.
Hey, roll.
Roll. Anything out the back.
Going on the back. And maybe
down here.
Okay.
Maybe in the room down
guys in the blue bed.
there. Need water, please. Before you get in the car, please. Please. Water.
Yes. Clip it
Put your leg down. Put your leg down.
There you go.
Where you going to that, man?
There's no cars. And then go ahead and take it.
Oh.
Sorry.
I don't know how to do this.
Okay.
Should be underneath.
Right.
As medics arrive and the situation winds down, remember, this was just one day, one call. But for them, it's a reality they live every shift.
The subject was identified as a 27-year-old U.S. citizen. At the scene, 2 9mm handguns, methamphetamine, and fentanyl pills were recovered from inside the subject's vehicle. The Arizona Department of Public Safety, CBP Office of Professional Responsibility, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, and the Department of Homeland Security Office of Inspector General responded to the scene. Arizona DPS has concluded their investigation into this incident, and the Cochise County Attorney's Office is pursuing state felony charges that included aggravated
And that's
assault,
why this matters.
kidnapping,
Because Bodycam doesn't just capture action, it captures truth. Subscribe to RealCam Files and stay informed with every second that counts. Let me know if you'd like this as a subtitle file or formatted for Instagram Reels / YouTube Shorts captions.